Hey, it's Mike Berner, finance writer at business.com. In this video, we're going to talk about automating accounting processes in a small business. We'll discuss why automation might be a good idea for you, as well as how an accounting software product like Zoho Books can help out with that. So be sure to stick around and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the video description for more small business content. Now here's the problem for a lot of small business owners. You have a lot going on. I mean, a lot of you are probably doing everything yourself, including the accounting, and there's a lot to remember. Now let's just face it, for a lot of people, accounting is pretty boring, but it's essential to keeping your business running smoothly and keeping track of your finances for tax purposes. One survey found that human error is still the biggest issue in accounting, with more than a quarter of firms reporting incorrect data entry. Now, what are some common accounting and invoicing processes that you might want to consider automating? One is payment reminders. There was a study done a few years ago that found that US small business owners deal with over 800 billion in unpaid invoices every year. Clearly, that's not good for your cash flow, and obviously everybody wants to get paid, but a lot of business owners are uncomfortable badgering customers for payment. Plus, with everything you have going on, you might not even remember that you're owed money. The solution is to automate payment reminders. In Zoho Books, you can set automatic payment reminders for invoices that reoccur at specified intervals. You can choose who to remind, how many days before or after the due date they should be reminded, and you can completely customize that message to the customer. Another process you might want to automate is accounts payable. You probably have a ton of due dates crammed into your head for bills that you owe, so it helps to be reminded. In Zoho, you can also set up reminders for bills that you have received. Similar to invoice reminders, you can configure when to receive the bill payment reminder and whom to send it to in your business. For the more tech-savvy business owners out there, with Zoho you can create custom functions to automate workflow, which could be coded using Zoho's scripting language called Deluge. Now, if you're not a coder, Zoho maintains a team of programmers who can do it for you based on your specifications. Pretty cool, right? Those are just a few of the processes you can automate. Unfortunately, we don't have accounting robots yet, but what we do have are programs that can do some of this tedious stuff for you, so you can focus on running and growing your business. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the best accounting and invoicing generating software guide on business.com. Our team compared all of the top options, and we regularly update this guide with any new developments. Finally, if you learned something from this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We're always putting out content for small businesses, and definitely let us know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.